Guys, please come in with good vibes. Comment, please stop. Changa, we're going to tell the girls in here to start abusing you. If I tell my girls to come for you, you will be kingful. So stop. Let's all be nice.
Yeah.
Long time fun. Thank you. Shakira, do you think it's time to go?
But like
the rage babe.
Do you know that like someone who hates you like is so secretly obsessed with you because you take
Angel
like
collection
time out of your day and like join a live just to be like mean is crazy.
Angel Collection. Oh my god, Angel Collection. Next time you see me, Uzan Suhus. Okay, girl. Don't be shy. Thank you, C. I just arrived. Oh my god, Dylan, can you come home in a few minutes? Like actually. Skinny Mini is coming, so you should come. We are also about to go. Thank you. Alex, leave my beard alone. I am a man. You've never seen a man with braids and a beard? You will be fine.
I like your confidence, right?
Thank you. How can I reach you? What do you want to reach me for? Thank you. Guys, I don't know how you like how much was that money? I can't remember. Flacidi icyo kibazo cyawe wapi pe? Thank you. Shiki, I think it's time we ended the live and left. Guys, I'm going to come back. Thank you all for coming, all 300 of you. I'll be back maybe tomorrow. I'm kind of consistent. I'm going to go live a lot more. Remember to come do ads with me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a video dropping soon. So go. Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Don't leave me. Let's go together.
Come. Oh my God.